Do you ever feel like you are struggling to get your point across in the conversation? Or that you are not being understood? You are not alone. In fact, effective communication is one of the most important skills you can have in today's world. Good news is that communication skill can be learned and improved. In this video, I'm going to share some tips and techniques to help you become a better communicator. Lesson 1. Listen actively. This means really paying attention to what the other person is saying and asking follow-up questions to clarify their points. By showing that you are engaging in the conversation, you will build trust and understanding. Lesson 2. Be clear and concise. When you are speaking, make sure your message is clear and easy to understand. Avoid using slang or technical terms that the other person may not be familiar with. Lesson 3. Practice empathy. Put yourself in the other person's shoes and try to understand their perspective. This will help you to connect with them on a deeper level and build stronger relationships. Lesson 4. Speak with confidence. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Use confident body language and make eye contact. Lesson 5. Be aware of your nonverbal communication. Your body language, facial expressions, and tone of your voice can all communicate a message. So be aware of how you are using them and make sure they match the same message you are trying to convey. Lesson 6. Prepare what you want to say. Before a conversation or presentation, take some time to think about what you want to say and how you want to say it. This will help you to be more organized and confident when you speak. Lesson 7. Use storytelling. People tend to remember stories more than facts and figures. So, if you want to make a point or persuade someone, try to use storytelling to illustrate your point. Lesson 8. Be adaptable. Be aware of context of a conversation and adapt your communication style accordingly. For example, you may need to use different language and tone in a formal business meeting than you would in a casual conversation with a friend. Lesson 9. Take responsibility for your message. If the other person doesn't understand you, or if there is a misunderstanding, take responsibility for making yourself understood rather than blaming the other person for not understanding. Lesson 10. Take feedback. Get feedback on your communication skills from others and be open to constructive criticism. This will help you to identify areas of improvement and track your progress. By following these tips and making a commitment to improve your communication skills, you will be well on your way to having more effective and satisfying conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to put these techniques into action in your everyday interactions. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos.